You can follow along with these steps. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the official Visual Studio Code website. Step 2. Visit the following URL: https://code.visualstudio.com/. Step 3. Once you're on the website, you'll see a Download for Windows button. Click on it. Step 4. You will be directed to the download page. The website will automatically detect your operating system as Windows. There will be a button below the Windows logo that says Stable Build. Click on it to download the latest stable version of Visual Studio Code. Step 5. After clicking the download button, your browser will prompt you to save the installation file. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save the file and wait for it to download. Step 6. Once the download is complete, navigate to the location where you saved the file. The file will be named something like VS Code User Setup version.x. Step 7. Double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. You might see a User Account Control (UAC) prompt asking for permission. Click Yes to continue. Step 8. The installation wizard will appear. Click Next to proceed with the default installation settings. Step 9. You will be prompted to select additional tasks. These include options like creating desktop shortcuts and adding context menu entries. Customize these options according to your preferences, or leave the default settings as they are. Click Next. Step 10. Choose the destination folder where you want to install Visual Studio Code. The default location should be fine for most users. Click Next to proceed. Step 11. On the following screen, you'll see an option to create a Start menu folder for Visual Studio Code shortcuts. You can keep the default name or provide a custom name. Click Install to start the installation process. Step 12. The setup will begin installing Visual Studio Code on your computer. This process may take a few moments. Step 13. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a Completing the Visual Studio Code Setup Wizard screen. Check the box that says Run Visual Studio Code and click Finish. Step 14. Visual Studio Code will now open for the first time. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Visual Studio Code on your Windows computer. Now you can start using Visual Studio Code to write code, customize your environment with extensions, and work on your projects. Please note that the steps and interface might change slightly with future updates, but the overall process remains similar. Always make sure to download the software from the official website to ensure that you are getting the genuine and latest version.